The coastal plains surrounded it from Gujarat. Gujarat in the east. Gujarat in the east and West Bengal in the east. West Bengal in the east. Understood? Gujarat in the west. Gujarat in the west and West Bengal in the east. The coastal plains in the west are called western coastal plains. Are called western coastal plains. Western coastal plains. Western coastal plains. And the coastal plains in the east are called eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains. The two plains meet at Kanyakumari. The two plains meet at Kanyakumari. The western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. The two plains meet at Kanyakumari. First, the eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains is a wide stretch of land. Wide means broad stretch of land that stretch from West Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south. West Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south. Understood? It lies between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. It lies between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. The eastern coastal plains lies between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal lies along a eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains has two parts. One, the northern part is called Northern Sarkar Coast, and southern part is called Coromandel Coast. Understood? The eastern coastal plains has two parts. One is Sarkar Coast, another one is Coromandel Coast. The Chilaka Lake. One minute. The Chilaka Lake. The largest saltwater lake in India. Okay, the largest saltwater lake in India. It is in Odisha. Understood? The coastal plains surrounded it from Gujarat to west. Gujarat in the west and West Bengal in the east. The coastal plains in the west are called western coastal plains. The coastal plains in the east are called eastern coastal plains. The two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. First, eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains is a wide stretch of land that stretch from Gujarat, that stretch from West Bengal, West Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south. West Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south. Understood? It lies between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal lie along a eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains has two parts. One is Sarkar coast, another one is Coromandel coast. Next, the Chilka Lake. The Chilka Lake, the largest saltwater lake in India. It is in Odisha. Next, Western coastal plains. Western coastal plains. The western coastal plain is thin straight. Western coastal plains. Western coastal plains, thin strait of land that stretch from the state of Gujarat in the north to Kerala in the south. The state of Gujarat in the north to Kerala in the south. The western coast lies between. It falls between. The western coastal lies between Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Western coastal plains is divided into three parts. Western coastal plains is divided into three parts. These are Gujarat coast. Gujarat coast and Konkan coast. Gujarat coast in the north. Konkan coast in the middle. And the Malabar coast in the south. The western coastal plains is divided into three parts. One is Gujarat coast in the north, Konkan coast in the middle, Malabar coast in the south. Understood? Western coast is narrow than the eastern coast. Western coast is narrow than the eastern coast. Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat and are located in western coastal plains. Understood? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Goa are located in western coastal plains. Understood? The next topic, life in the coastal plains. 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 Different types of people, different states live in the coastal plains. Yes, different types of people of different states lives in the coastal plains. Now, I will explain some states. First, West Bengal. We have already learned about West Bengal in the northern plain. Next state, Odisha. Next state, Odisha. Odisha is a fertile state. Agriculture and fishing are two major important occupation in the state. Occupations in the state. Rice. Rice is the major crop here. Rice is the major crop here. Lentils, on oil seeds and jute are also grown here. Odisha, the coastal region is hit by major cyclones almost every year. Major cyclones are almost every year. The Chilka Lake is a major tourist attraction where migratory birds roots. Understood? Odisha is a fertile state. Agriculture and fishing are two major important occupation in the state. Rice is a major crop here. Oil seeds and jute also grown here. Okay, the coastal region is hit by major cyclones almost every year. Understood? The Chilka Lake is the largest salt lake in India. The Chilka Lake is a major tourist attraction where migratory birds roost. Okay, the next state, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the eighth largest state of India. Eighth largest state of India. Some part of this state are part of the Deccan Plateau, while some parts make up the coastal plains. Understood? Some part of these states are parts of Deccan Plateau, while some parts make up the coastal plains. Visakhapatnam port is an important seaport of India. Visakhapatnam port is an important seaport of India. The state has shipbuilding yards and oil refinery, and iron and steel plants. Okay, Andhra Pradesh is the eighth largest state of India. Some part of this state are part of Deccan Plateau, while some part of made up the coastal plains. Visakhapatnam port is an important seaport of India. The state has shipbuilding yards, an oil refinery, an iron and steel plants. The next state, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has a long coastal line called the Coromandel Coast. Tamil Nadu has a long coastline called the Coromandel Coast. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is well known for cotton and silk sarees. Chennai is well known for cotton and silk sarees. And Marina Beach. Marina Beach in Chennai is the longest beach. Is the longest beach of India in India. Marina Beach in Chennai is the longest beach in India. Longest beach in India. Understood? Tamil Nadu has a coastal line called the Coromandel Coast. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is well known for cotton and silk sarees. The Marina Beach in Chennai is the longest beach in India. Okay. Next, Puducherry. Puducherry is now a union territory of India. Puducherry is now a union territory of India. The famous Aurobindo Ashram and Matri Mandir are located here. Aurobindo Ashram and Matri Mandir are located here. Farming and fishing is the main occupations. Are the main occupations. Farming and fishing are the main occupations of the people here. And Puducherry is now a union territory of India. The famous Aurobindo Ashram and Matri Mandir are located here. Farming and fishing are the main occupation of the people here. Next, Gujarat. Gujarat lies on the west coast of India. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Gandhinagar. Or is the capital of Gujarat. Ahmedabad is the largest city in the Gujarat. Ahmedabad is the largest city in the Gujarat. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the largest city in the Gujarat. Farming is the main occupation. Farming is the main occupation of the people here. Jowar and sugarcane, cotton, bajra, oil seeds, wheat also grown here. Okay, jowar, sugarcane, and wheat, oil seeds, and bajra, etc. also grown here. The famous Sabarmati Ashramam is located here. Sabarmati. The famous Sabarmati. The famous Sabarmati Ashram is located here. Understood? Gujarat lies on the west coast of India. West coast of India. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Ahmedabad is the longest. Ahmedabad is the largest city in the Gujarat. Understood? Farming is the main occupation of the people here. Farming is the main occupation of the people here. Jowar, sugarcane, wheat, oil seeds, bajra, etc. also grown here. The famous Sabarmati Ashramam is located here. Understood? The next state, Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the third largest state in the country. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the largest seaport of India. It is also an important for business and industries. Maharashtra is the third largest state of the country. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Understood? Maharashtra is the largest seaport of India. Understood? Maharashtra is also an important for business and industries. Bombay High is an officious oil fields which has a large deposits of petrol. Bombay High is an officious oil fields which has large deposits of petroleum. Understood? Maharashtra is the third largest state in the country. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the largest seaport of India, and it is also an important for business and industries. Okay. This is today's topic. Next remaining topics I will explain next class. Okay. Everyone understood? Okay. Children, once open your textbook, read the lesson. Okay. Everyone, please send the worksheets. Please write the worksheets and send it. Okay. Thank you.